Okay, let's see what we take. Okay, we got Eljer. And I don't see it. Oh, there's a date. It says 13 November. Is that 1920? That couldn't be true, is it? Yeah, it says 1920. Looks newer than that. So I'm not really sure what that means. Let's see. Oh, 13 November slash 13 November 00 1920. So it might be 2000. So I don't quite know how these Eljers work. So I don't know, Andrew. It looks like it might be whatever. We'll have to research. So anyway, here's inside the tank. Isn't that awesome? Look. That's cool. It says water line down there. See that? Awesome. Okay. That's leaking oil. Yeah, need a filter. Okay, I'll put the lid back on. Okay, it so happens in here we